Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the amazing world of chemistry. Chemistry is like magic, but instead of spells we have reactions. It's the study of matter and how it transforms. Chemistry helps us understand what things are made of and how they interact. Pretty cool, right? Chemistry is everywhere. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in our own bodies. From the medicines we take to the batteries in our phones, chemistry plays a vital role in our daily lives. It's the science behind the colors of fireworks, the taste of your favorite soda, and the growth of plants. So, buckle up, science explorers. We're about to embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of matter and its incredible transformations. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of chemistry. Let's start with the tiniest things, atoms. Atoms are like super small building blocks that make up everything around us. Imagine the smallest thing you can, then make it even smaller. That's an atom. Atoms have three main parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged, neutrons have no charge, and electrons are negatively charged. Protons and neutrons hang out in the center of the atom, forming the nucleus. Electrons are like tiny ninjas, zipping around the nucleus at super speed. They're always on the move, and their energy levels determine how the atom interacts with other atoms. It's like a tiny solar system, with the nucleus as the sun and electrons as the planets. Now, how do we keep track of all these different atoms? That's where the periodic table comes in. It's like a giant chart that organizes all the known elements based on their atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. The periodic table is super helpful because it tells us a lot about each element's properties. Elements in the same column, called a group, tend to have similar chemical behavior. For example, the far right column contains noble gases, which are very unreactive. The periodic table is like a cheat sheet for chemists. It helps us predict how elements will react with each other and form different compounds. It's a key tool for understanding the building blocks of the universe. Now, let's talk about chemical reactions. They happen when atoms join together or break apart, forming new substances with different properties. Imagine baking a cake. You mix ingredients, heat them up, and voila, a delicious treat emerges. Atoms connect through chemical bonds. There are two main types: ionic and covalent bonds. Ionic bonds are like magnets, where opposite charges attract. Covalent bonds are like sharing a toy, where atoms share electrons to become stable. Chemical reactions are happening all around us. When you strike a match, burn wood, or even digest food, you're witnessing chemical reactions in action. They're the reason we have life, energy, and everything in between.